Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, aking mga goddess? So, another reading na naman, short reading tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, tignan natin anong message or advice sa inyo ni Universe. Let's see aking mga fire signs dyan, no? So, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, tignan natin. So, yeah. Tignan natin anong message sa inyo ni Universe, message or advice, no? So, you have this, ano to? Trust. You have trust. You have this boundaries. And you have this wisdom. So, for some of you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? Sabi rito ni Universe, ni God, is you have to trust whatever it is, no? Trust the process. Kung ano man yung inaano nyo, sinisimulan nyo, no? Kung makikita mo, ito, di ba? Ano bang tawag dito? Yung parang I don't know kung ano bang higad ba to? Hindi ko alam kasi kung anong tawag dito, yung bago maging butterfly, right? No? Cocoon, something like that, di ba? No? So, trust the process because in the near future or in the future, di ba? You will be this butterfly. Diba? Right now, you are this one. Still, you are in the process pa no? You are still learning, diba? And while you are learning, you're gaining knowledge about it. You are progressing yourself, diba? Nurture mo yung sarili mo, fire sign, no? So, eventually, kapag marami ka nang nalaman, no? From experience, diba? Nagpo-progress tayo, no? So, soon you will be this butterfly, you will be successful in that journey na sinisimulan mo, fire sign, no? So trust the process, right, no? Ayun ang sabi sa iyo ni God, ni Universe, no? So don't lose faith, no? Faith kay God, faith in yourself, no? Trust the process, wag mainip, no? There is a right time para sa iyong evolution, no? Sa inyo, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka, no? Fire sign. So, and this one, boundaries. So, for some of you, ay ina-advise ni Universe, ni God na to have boundaries around you, people around you. Not all people na nasa paligid nyo is kailangan maging open because kaya nga 'di ba, we have this, pwede ring itong trust is pwede mo ring ma-apply rito. So, parang sinasabi sa iyo, ina-advise dito, yes, na limit yourself to others. Huwag ka basta-bastang nagpapapasok, nagtatrust kung kanika or kahit na malapit sa iyo kasi hindi natin alam, 'di ba? So make boundaries, 'di ba? To the people around you. Dahil hindi natin alam sino yung pwedeng nagtatrader sa'yo. Kayo lang makakaalam niyan, fire sign, no, right? No, so may mga taong nagtatrader sa'yo, binabackstab ka. And you have to find out kung sino yan or kung alam mo na. So, if you knew na, so you make boundaries na alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo, right? So, yeah, that's it. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. And for some of you, wisdom. So, for some of you, maybe you are lacking wisdom or you are lacking some wisdom in your life na baka merong iba sa inyo na naliligaw na ng landas, di ba? So, please, fire sign, bumalik kayo, turn back, bumalik kayo, ayusin nyo kung ano man yung dapat ayusin, di ba? You are lacking some wisdom with God. Connect with God for some of you, di ba? Baka nakakalimot na kayo, 'di ba? Naliligaw nga for some of you nga na naliligaw na ng landas or if meron kayong kilala na naliligaw na ng landas who is lacking God's wisdom, 'di ba? Right? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Na maybe tulungan niyo siya, tulungan natin, tulungan niyo kung may kilala kayo. If or kung ikaw to, fire sign, alam mo sa sarili mo, meron ka ng hindi magandang path na sinusundan, stop mo na. Connect with God ka. Please. So, yeah, that's it, fire signs. So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito, no? So, again, thank you for watching mga fire signs natin dyan, Aries, Leo, Sag, and I hope na naka-resonate nga kayo. And please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And yeah, that's it. So, until next reading natin, see you again, mga fire signs. And God bless you all. And thank you, fire signs.